Yo guys, this product made $10 million in the last 30 days. So I will show you exactly how it made this money and where you can see the results and how actually I find these kind of products. So this product cost, as you see, is only $8, and you can see that this product actually locate in AliExpress, and when you go to Amazon you can find the same product and you can see how many people actually purchased that in the last 30 days. So 40k bought in the past month. You can see the price. 20k bought this month. All right, 40k, 20k, 2k, and there is a lot more listings that 20, 10, 20, 40. So this product is doing a lot of money. Now, when I calculate the average price of the product and I double that with how many products actually you can see on Amazon that people bought, it's more than $10 million. So how I find these products I will show you right now. But before, as I'm a Vivian, if you don't know me yet, I'm making over $19 million with dropshipping in the internet, with Shopify dropshipping. When I refresh my screen you can see that. But also I have the best community in the United States that giving you a daily product, winning products to make you money online. So join right now. Down below you will see the link and I want to see you inside. All right, so after you get to know me and what I'm doing in dropshipping, I want to tell you exactly my secret how I find this kind of product. Of course, before you can see stores that actually have the same example of the product, how they use it, and also how they market the product. So I will show you exactly how I do that. Currently I use one application called Trotter. You can find the link below and subscribe for free to find these winning products like I find. What you do, you just go to the product picks, all right, and you just clean the search and you go down and take a look at my search on the right, there is a lot of products. Now probably you will see a couple of products because it's a free plan. If you want to see more products that I review on a daily basis that makes more than $5 and $10 million a month, you can go to my school club and click below, join my free school club right now before it will cost $5 or $10 a month, and you will join on a daily basis winning products. Currently it's in Hebrew, but it will be changed to English right now. So want to see you inside, subscribe to Strutter for free and join my school community, and I will show you a lot of products like this.